Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on right now at Harbor Freight. They have a liquidation sale going on. We're going to check that out. And also remember to watch the entire video because we are giving away a free laser level. So let's dive in. Well, hey guys, so we're going to check out some of the instant savings deals as well as the liquidation sale. Get started with some of these deals right here. We see some screwdriver sets on sale, also some ratchet sets, even some Allen keys. And some of these things are definitely on sale and a great thing to pick up. We have some microfiber cloths. So if you need some of these for the shop, I think those are great pickups. And then we also have the SAE and the metric in the hex key sets here. Then we have some Pittsburgh. Here are some of the longer socket wrenches, so if you need some of those. Then we also have the 14-in-1 tool by Quinn for $4. It's a great little pickup for that. And then we also have some Warrior options for some drill bits and even the pry bar installation kit right there. Then we can also grab some rope if you need some rope for different projects. Great pickup. And then a body filler here for $12. And then we have the Warrior multi-tool. Again, great price. Hard to beat that. That's an incredible deal on that. And then we even have the 2-ton jack. Another great pickup on that. Then we have the power strip. I think these are great for any type of shop or anything that you're going to be working with. I think it's a great option, great addition, looks really good, and it's going to do a great job for you. Then we have some earmuffs. Great pickup right there, pretty cheap, just earmuffs you can carry with you, little DIY options. Then we also have some super cheap zip ties. So if you need some zip ties for different things, great pickup for that. And then even some magnetic hooks, a little battery trickle charger there. And then even a couple other great DIY options here. Great things just to kind of keep on hand. Never know when you're going to need some of these. Then we have this little rotary tool. So similar to a Dremel, but great price, $20. And then we also have the set you could buy with it for all the little compartments and everything with $15. And then we got some batteries. Always great to keep batteries on hand. You never know where you're going to need those. Then we even have the TV mount. So you can grab that and save some money. Then we have some of their mats, so you can grab those, and we even have some duct tape. Then we get into a few more instant savings deals. We see here the Hercules sander, great price for that. Then we even have the little compartment for $7. You need to keep some small items. Then we have the knee pad saver, and also the air hose here for $15. We also have the central pneumatic stapler, and also air nailer, and then even some tarps. So if you have some projects you need a couple tarps on, you can save a little bit of money on a couple of these. Pretty good prices on these items. And then we even have some hoses right here, some garden hoses on sale as well. Good pickups right now, especially in the summertime. Now a lot of these aren't on sale, but I just wanted to show you their setup right here. Again, the Warrior brand, it is hard to beat these deals. Great prices. This is part of the liquidation sale right here with the heat gun though. $9 for a heat gun. That's a great price because you don't use it all the time, but it's a great thing to keep on hand. You never know when you're going to need it. Then we see the Earthquake XT here for $130. Good pickup right there. Really great price. And then we also see the reversible air drill. Great one right here from Chief. Then also Badlands Apex winch for $539. It's a great price. And then also the 5,500-pound one for $229. Then also we have one right here for $224. So again, some great pickups on these, especially part of this liquidation sale right now going on. Then we even have the farm jack here for $83. Great pickup, especially if you need one of these, getting stuff done around the farm. And then even the combination waterproof fire safe, $150. Great to have one of these in your house for some of your safety items. We also have the Pittsburgh vacuum pump for $80. Great price and great pickup. And then we have some of this Arctic Freeze on clearance. And I did see on multiple little areas that a lot of these clearance items are marked even further down, so you can check that out. Then we even have this pump that was actually picked over at my store, so you can let me know if it's at yours. Then we have the Quinn torque wrench for $60. So you can grab one of these. Again, another great price. Then we also have Pittsburgh torque wrench here for 12 bucks. Couple different options as well. So Pittsburgh is a solid brand, so they're definitely going to do a good job for you, but different options and a couple different sizes as well. So you can check and see which one that you might need. But again, part of the liquidation sale, it's going to do a good job, get to save a little money. Then they also had their mechanics tool set on sale as well. This is 301 piece here for 170. So if you need this full set, you can grab this and save some money on that. Then I also had the combination wrench set as well, SAE and metric, and then also some locking pliers here for 8 bucks. Pretty good pickup for those. They also had some of these little just clips here. You get to save 23%, so 99 cents for that one. And then we also had multiple different large items here with the belt sander. If you want to get one of those for 75 bucks, pretty good price for that. And then we see also they had another option for the disc sander for 170. So you can get one of these as well, save you some money, and be able to get some projects done around the house or even take it to the job site as well. Then we have a little toolbox, or just a little tool bag for 6 bucks. Great little tool bag just to kind of carry around with you. They also had the Predator inverter, so you can grab one of these, part of the liquidation sale, $11.50. Pretty good price for that option. Get to save you some money and have some backups in case bad weather. Then we even have the random orbital polisher from Bauer. Again, Bauer's a great brand. Heard a lot of people are actually switching to Bauer that I know because they do such a good job. Then we even have another option here for Bauer, the drywall sander for $110. Again, this is a great option for you if you're going to be using this on the job site. Again, like I mentioned, Bauer is a solid option. And here is the thing I was talking about. With this giant liquidation, everyone gets to save 30% off clearance items. And if you're on the Inside Track Club, you actually get to save 40% off. So if you're looking for clearance items all around the store, you get to save an extra 30%, which is incredible. And then my store had a huge selection of just returned items or other clearance items. Usually it's a small little section in the back, but this time they had a huge selection trying to go along with this liquidation sale. So you can see all of these tools are marked down, some like 70% off already, and then you get another 30% off or 40% off if you're Inside Track. But this is just incredible. I actually stood here for a long time trying to figure out if I needed any of these items or what projects I could actually work on with some of these tools. I had a few of them picked up, and these are some great deals. So if you are in need of some items, I would recommend you go check out and see if any of these are available at your store. Like I mentioned, we have a little clearance section in the back, but I've never seen this many items. And this was also up front, and they were letting everyone know that you get to take another 30 to 40% off of these as well. They had all kind of augers. They even had some of these Predators as well on sale. So if whatever you need, you should definitely go and check and see if any of that's available at your store. Like I said, you get another percent off, and you get some of these great items as well. Then we have a few more items on sale for liquidation. We have the Badlands jack here, 3-ton option on sale. We also have the 3-ton jack with stands for Daytona, so you can grab that and save you some money. And then we even have the Pittsburgh 20-ton low-profile jack here for 45 bucks. Again, great pickup. And then we had the Hercules battery on sale for $17.99. Pretty good price, especially if you're in the Hercules brand. And then we also had the Vulcan welder series option here for $65.99. Again, a great pickup. And then just a reminder, we're still doing our Dovo giveaway. If you're interested in this item, you can comment Dovo giveaway down below. But look at all the cool features this comes with. You get the case, you get the extra batteries, the charger, and you also get all of these other items here in this case. And I've been using this, and it is a great product. Dovo is a great brand. It's also very strong and super heavy duty, so if you're going to take it to the job site or just do DIY projects around your house, this is great. Has multiple planes, as you can see right here in the video. Also is self-leveling and has a little place on the bottom where you can put it on a stand So there's so many options for this, and if you're interested, I actually have a link down below. You can check this out for yourself as well. But overall, there are some great deals going on right now at Harbor Freight. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing, or if you've already been this week and you've gotten some great deals, let me know in the comments what you got. But thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.